So this is how to upload a photo reply to comment on YouTube. As you can see, I can post photos to my YouTube comments. This also works on other people's video comments. The first step is to save the comment you want to reply to. After that, we will go to the next steps. This time you should be on the home page. Now click the plus button. Now follow what I do. Select a video to upload as a reply to the comment. Optionally, you can add text to the video. You must set the thumbnail, because this is what will be displayed in the comments later. And also the title. This is the reply comment text. And set unlisted. Upload and done. Restart your YouTube.